Hello, Nona here. I have an announcement, a secret to tell you, and a Valentine DIY today. The first announcement is, beginning in February, I am only going to post videos on Tuesday and Saturday. The reason for that is when I look at my views, that's when I get the most views of new videos. Now, of course, people go back and look at my videos on other days too, but new videos get the most views on Tuesday and Saturday. And because I've learned how to fast forward and use my new microphone that Grumpy Grandpa got me for Christmas, I can put more content on a single video. So, beginning in February, Tuesday and Saturday. But you always can go back and look at other videos by going to youtube.com and in the search bar, putting in Nona's Here, or by subscribing, and then my videos will always come up when you go to youtube.com and hitting subscribe, your subscriptions, which brings me to my second thing I want to explain to you, which is a secret about YouTube creators. You know how YouTube creators, including me, always say, please subscribe, give me a like, and they always show a thumbs up. Well, the reason why they show you I show you a thumbs up, if you look below the video, there's an icon with a thumbs up. If you click that, that's a like. And they always say, please, be sure you subscribe, give me a like, comment, and share. Well, the reason for that is YouTube has an algorithm. Now, don't ask me to explain what an algorithm is because I can't explain it. It's a mathematical thing, and I never was really good at math. But the algorithm for YouTube takes into consideration several things. One is the number of subscribers that creator has. Another thing is how many likes or thumbs up that video got. Another thing is how many views that video got for that creator. Another thing is how many comments that video got for that creator. In other words, how much engagement that creator got from the viewers. And the higher those numbers are, the higher the algorithm number is, and the higher that video shows up when people do a search. So let's say a person is doing a search for a Valentine DIY, or a Dollar Tree haul, or a BoxyCharm unboxing, and I'm hitting my knees. I'm going to back this up a little bit. I'm hitting the holder here of my phone. So if that creator got a real high number on the algorithm for views and likes and comments and has a high number of subscribers, and some of these creators have thousands, if not tens of thousands of subscribers, then their algorithm number is real high, and they're going to show up real high when a person does a search. Their video is going to come up at the very top. So that's why, even though they have tens of thousands of subscribers, they always want to keep each video with a high algorithm number with likes and views and comments. So I have only been doing YouTube for a little over 6 months, and my views and my subscriptions are really low, and I'm in competition with people who have thousands, if not tens of thousands. So do I get, frustrated or feel badly? Well, sometimes. But I know that they didn't start out with tens of thousands of subscribers or views. They started out just like I did, although maybe I'm a little bit behind the curve. But that's why YouTubers always ask for you to please give them a thumbs up, a like, or to comment. And of course, the reason why they asked you to share is because if you share it, maybe somebody else will pick it up on their social media, on Facebook or Instagram, and watch their video, and also subscribe, like, comment. So that's why YouTubers are always saying, please, comment, like, share, and if you haven't subscribed, do so, because they're always trying to keep their algorithm number up high so that their video always comes up high in the search when people are doing a search for certain videos. And that's why I always ask you, if you haven't subscribed yet, please hit that subscribe button. It's free. And please, if you enjoy these kind of videos, give me a like, which is that thumbs up icon, and comment and share. It helps my channel grow. So that's the YouTube secret. Now, let's get on to the crafting. And today we're going to make this beautiful candle. All the supplies except for the glitter are from Dollar Tree. It's so easy to make, and it doesn't take long at all. And since I now know how to fast forward and do a voiceover, it won't take me long at all to explain it to you. So let's go over to the craft table and get busy. So we're back at the craft table, and we're going to make the Valentine candle. So what you will need is one of these glass bowls from Dollar Tree, some Mod Podge, which you can get at Dollar Tree. I just have a big jar of it from Hobby Lobby. I used some Goof Off to get the sticker off the bottom. I've already cleaned my glass bowl with alcohol and a cotton pad to make sure there's no newsprint on it or fingerprints. You will need a little dish or something to put the Mod Podge in, and a foam brush. Glitter, which I got at Walmart. This is the silver glitter, and then I have the hot pink, the bright pink, and the light pink. Some pearl wrap, a glue gun, a light, LED light that I got at Dollar Tree, some Epsom salts or whatever fake snow to put in the bottom of the bowl, and some contact paper, which I couldn't find, so I just bought some shelf paper, and I think I got this at Walmart, but you can get contact paper or something like that at Dollar Tree. Okay, I think, some scissors and a pencil. That's it. So, now that I've cleaned my bowl off, I've made 3 hearts. I've made a large heart, cut it out of the contact paper that will fit on my bowl. I've made a medium heart, which I've colored in because my shelf paper is white and you can hardly see it, that will fit inside my larger heart, which will make sense in a minute, and then a smaller heart, which will fit inside all 3. You're going to need 3 sets of these, 3 large hearts, 3 medium hearts, and 3 little hearts. You're going to put the large hearts on first, and then I'll show you what to do. But I have made patterns for the other hearts. I've colored them in since they're all white. So these are the patterns. I'm going to cut these out for the 3 large hearts. These are the patterns that I've made that are the same size as the medium hearts that I've colored these turquoise. And then these are the patterns for the smaller hearts. You just want to make sure that your large heart, you can fit 3 of these on the glass jar, and that the medium heart will fit inside the large heart, and that the smaller heart will fit inside the medium heart, so that they will be layered, which will all make sense in just a few minutes. So now I'm going to start, and through the technology of fast forward and the microphone of being able to voice over, you will see how to make this. It will go very quickly, except for the drying part. I do have to set it aside to dry. The first thing I've done is I've placed the 3 large hearts on my glass. Now I'm going to Mod Podge all around the bowl, around the hearts, making sure I don't get the Mod Podge on the lips, the lip of the bowl, or the bottom. So I'm going around the hearts very carefully, and then I'm going to take the silver glitter and put the glitter all on the Mod Podge around the hearts on the bowl. And you can use anything. If you don't have one of these glass candle bowls, if you have a vase in the back of your cupboard, you can use it. You don't have to do it exactly like I'm doing it. My crafts are just to provide motivation and ideas for you to do a craft. So you can use anything that you have, a glass vase, a glass bowl, anything that you might have. You don't have to do your craft exactly like I do mine. So now I'm going to take the clear glitter and sprinkle it all over the bowl. And of course the glitter won't go where the heart cutouts are. So I'm going to sprinkle it on there really good, and then I will let it dry. So, and if you don't have 3 different kinds of color of pink glitter, you may only have 2 colors, or maybe you only have red glitter, and that's fine. You can just use red glitter. All right, so now it's dried, and I am peeling off the big hearts, and you will see that where I had the big hearts, no glitter has gone, and so I have a clear space of the big heart, and I'm going to put the medium-sized hearts in the center of where the big hearts were, and I am pressing that down. And the important thing is to make sure your edges are down real tightly. It doesn't matter if there's bubbles, just make sure your edges are down real tightly. So now I'm going to take the bright pink glitter and Mod Podge around the medium-sized heart and put the bright pink glitter. Then when that dries, I'm going to peel it off, and I am going to put Mod Podge in the area where the little heart is, and put Mod Podge in the area of the small heart, and put the light glitter in there. So I will have an ombre effect. So I'll have the real light glitter in the center, the bright pink in the medium-sized heart, and the darker pink in the outside where the big heart was. So I'll have an ombre effect. So now I'm doing the small heart there. I'm going to take the light glitter and sprinkle that in, and I'm showing you how there's an ombre effect. Okay, now I'm going back and I'm just touching it up with a little paintbrush, because there's some areas where the glitter didn't take effect, didn't hold on. So I'm just taking a small paintbrush, and you don't have to do this, because to be honest with you, when you're all done, you don't see any of those spots. But I'm just taking a small paintbrush with some Mod Podge and some glitter and filling in to fill in the glitter where it didn't take real well, and just using my fingers to pick up some glitter to make sure that the hearts are all completed. And you'll see where there's places where the glitter isn't real dark and where it is darker than other places, but it doesn't matter because once you put the Epsom salts in or the fake snow in and the candle in, you really don't see any of those spots. It just glitters all over. Okay, so I'm doing that. And I'm showing you how it's done. Now I'm gonna put all my glitter back in the tub. I really didn't use that much glitter. It's just that when I was dumping it on, it looked like I used a lot, but I really didn't waste that much. So I'm putting away all my stuff, and I'm getting ready now that I'm gonna pour the Epsom salts into the little candle holder so that there's a bottom. Now I'm showing you, I've got my LED light, and it's the kind that you pull off the little tab in the back, and then there's a switch. Now I'm ready to put the pearls around the lip of the bowl, and I'm just hot gluing those on, and I'm sorry, but I got out of screen. But I'm just taking a strip of pearls and hot gluing them on to around the lip of the bowl. Just that added enhancement to the candle. And that's about it. That's all I have to do. Now I'm showing you the candle with the ombre effect of the 3 hearts and the pearls around the top. And let's take a look at what it looks like at night when I have the lights off. There it is. It's so pretty. I really think this is a easy and fun and pretty Valentine craft. This will be my last Valentine's craft. So I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for visiting.